Hello friends, making an amazing ice cream really comes down to be a very simple custard base. The possibilities are limitless, but custard ice cream is where we are going to start today. Welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Let's start the recipe. Take an empty cup or bowl, add 2 tablespoons of custard powder. This is homemade custard powder. I will share the link in the description box. Now add 4 tablespoons of cold milk or normal milk. Don't use the hot milk, otherwise the mixture became lumpy. We don't want the mixture became lumpy. Now give it a quick mix until it's lump free. This is how it looks like. Now set this aside. Now take a pan, add 2 cups of milk. I am using whole milk. This is perfect for the ice cream. Now take the boil. Once it is boiled, now you have to boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is slightly thick. And after 3 minutes you will notice this is thick, 1/4 cup in quantity approximately. At this point add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust the quantity according to your choice. And now cook until the sugar dissolves and then cook it until it is again thick in consistency for about 3 to 4 minutes or medium high flame. And you will notice after 4 minutes this is how it looks like. At this point take the custard mixture, give it a quick mix because the custard stays at the bottom, and when you are adding the custard make sure the heat is on low flame. Give it a quick mix. After mixing, the heat is on medium flame. Now keep on stirring after adding the custard and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it became thick in consistency. As you have seen, keep on stirring. Now this is the perfect consistency. At this point switch off the heat and keep on stirring. After 2 to 3 minutes you will notice it is slightly cooled down and became more thick. And now at this point remove this mixture into the separate bowl. Cover the lid and set this mixture into the refrigerator for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's completely cooled down. Take a separate bowl and in this add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Make sure the whipping cream is cold and now whisk it until the soft peak form from low to medium speed. Do not overbeat, otherwise it will convert into butter. This is the perfect consistency, soft peak form. Now it's been 30 minutes and I have removed this mixture from the refrigerator and mix it into the whipping cream. And I am going to add 2 pinch of yellow food color, but that is totally optional, but it will give a nice market style color. And now mix the cream and the custard mixture on low speed for about a minute, and this is how it looks like. Cover the lid and set it into the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours until it is set, and then I will show you. It's been 4 hours. The ice cream is slightly set. It is not fully set, and this is how it looks like. This is halfway. Whisk it for about a minute to remove the ice crystals. It will give a nice creamy texture that you can get from the market bought ice cream. Now transfer this mixture into the container. Make sure to use the airtight container and then spread it, and now cover it and set it into the freezer overnight or 8 to 10 hours until it is perfectly set. I have set this ice cream overnight and this is the next day. I have removed it from the refrigerator. You have seen, wow, this is perfectly set. You can see by the texture also. It's time to serve the ice cream. Now take a ice cream scooper and then scoop out, and you have seen how smoothly the scoop is gliding. It is so creamy and delicious. Believe me, if you tried this ice cream one time, you will never buy the ice cream from the market. It is so delicious, creamy and tasty, and you will see the texture. This is how it looks like, perfect bite. I have garnished it with some green and red cherries. You can garnish it with some tutti frutti or some grated nuts, that is up to you. Serve with your friends and family and enjoy. Stay tuned for the new recipe made of custard powder. And if you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.